test which stripper works best. We're gonna fix this crack. Stripping the edges by hand. Just rinsing the floor. We're gonna fix the grout and the crack, and then we're gonna let it dry overnight, and then we're gonna color seal the grout with black, and then put 4 coats of shiny acrylic water-based sealer on it. So they had it done like a long time ago. I don't know what they use, but in the grout lines, I use an epoxy remover, and it's a strip in it. So, but yeah, I run a test, and the color sealer bonds really well. So, you know, we'll just color seal over it, basically. That's for the crack. Number 2, 3.